Denny's has a whole Masters of the Universe menu, and being that I'm a Motu fan, I had to go check it out, and this guy too. Denny's is not exactly going to be the place for like a 5-star meal, but something like this is going to be fun. You got to admit that. They had a shake. There was a weird Grand Slam breakfast with pancakes and ice cream. There was a burger, and we tried that too. We tried everything basically, and then these other pancakes for kids with popping candy on it. But first, coffee. Very nice. Then they brought our shakes. She split them up for us. There's popping candy you put on them, and this guy liked the popping candy.
Popping candy is just good. The shake's awesome.
All right, gotta do the popping candy first. My confusion here is that it kind of tasted like a smoothie, but it was a milkshake. It was odd.
Ooh, the popping candy's nutty.
This is like the popping candy express breakfast. The burger, I gotta say, was a little bit strange, but these pancakes, I actually really like that icing on top. It was pretty good.
I put the popping candy on it, which is just very odd.
Now, if you ask me what kind of ice cream I want on my pancakes, the last thing I'm gonna say is mint chocolate chip, but hey, what are you gonna do?
The mint chip on the pancakes is a little odd, but these are really good.
And now we come to the burger. Now look, I'm all for over-the-top burgers and things like that, but you got to be able to pick it up. Look at this. This is absolutely insane. I don't even know what was on this damn thing.
I don't even know what's on this thing, honestly. Pulled pork and shit. It's alright. It's a mess.
Making a mess.
We missed his first reaction to the pancakes, so
What do you
here's
think?
take 2.
These pancakes are awesome again.
I think we did some good damage here. The burger was my least favorite of it. It's funny, these fries are supposed to be like shaped like the power sword for heroes. So this was fun. What would you say your favorite thing was?
The pancakes.
Which ones? There was 2 pancakes.
That one.
The one with the mint chip ice cream?
Yeah. Toothpaste boy over here.
Now we're off to see the movie.
Yep. It's
And we
gonna
feel
be
like
epic.
we're gonna barf.
Yeah, this is toothpaste dude over here.
All in all, this was pretty fun. I gotta say, out of everything, I probably enjoyed the pancakes the most. But hey, what are you gonna do? This, I hope they do stuff like this more often. I hope the movie is good, so we'll see.